Using evidence in film analysis. Make your points clear and convincing. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving deep into the world of film analysis. When you're critiquing a movie, how do you make your arguments sound credible? The answer is simple: by incorporating evidence and examples. Let's find out how. When writing about films, it's easy to say, "I liked it," or "I didn't like it." But those are opinions. To make your analysis more substantial, you need to back up your claims with evidence. Think of evidence as the foundation of your argument. Without it, your points can seem hollow or unsubstantiated. In the realm of film, evidence isn't just about facts and figures. Here's a quick breakdown. 1. Quotes from the film. Maybe a character said something pivotal, and you want to discuss its meaning. Quoting that line directly can be a strong piece of evidence. 2. Scenes or shots. If you're discussing the cinematography or visual elements of the film, referencing specific scenes or shots can be invaluable. Describe them in detail so your readers or listeners can visualize them. 3. Soundtrack and sound effects. Sometimes, the audio elements in a film can be just as telling as the visuals. Mentioning a particular song or sound effect can enhance your argument. 4. Contextual information. This includes background on the director, actors, or the time the film was made. It can provide more depth to your analysis. It's not enough to just throw in a quote or reference a scene. Here's how to incorporate them effectively. 1. Introduce your evidence. Before you drop that quote or describe that scene, set it up. Explain why it's relevant. 2. Quote accurately. If you're using a line from the film, ensure it's word for word. Accuracy matters. 3. Analyze your evidence. After presenting your evidence, dive into its significance. How does it support your point? This is where your analysis shines. 4. Balance. Your analysis shouldn't just be a list of quotes or scene descriptions. Balance your evidence with your own insights and interpretations. 1. Overloading with evidence. While evidence is crucial, don't cram so much that your own voice gets lost. Use it to bolster your arguments, not replace them. 2. Misquoting. As mentioned earlier, accuracy is key. Always double-check your quotes. 3. Not explaining relevance. Just mentioning a scene or a quote isn't enough. Always tie it back to your main argument. And that's a wrap. Remember, film analysis is an art in itself. Your interpretations, backed by solid evidence, can provide fresh insights into a movie. We hope this guide on incorporating evidence and examples helps elevate your film critiques. Happy analyzing!